This electric can opener is pretty neat. You just push the button, so we're going to set it on top of this jar of peanut butter. It's still brand new, still got the plastic on it and everything. We're just going to set it on top here and push the button. Once it gets started, it's going to grab the lid, and now it's applying pressure here. And now it's doing the torque for us. We don't have to use our hand at all. And now once it's gone all the way around, the jar has stayed put. The lid has gone all the way around. We'll see that it lets go of the jar and it lets go of the lid. Gets ready for the next job, and our jar is now open. It's a little loud, but it's real easy to use, and it just uses 2 AA batteries. So hope this helps.